When we started NFX in 2017, our mission was to be the top seed VC in the world. And 5 years in, we're well on our way to achieving this goal.
You see, we've been in your shoes. Before NFX, we had collectively founded 10 companies that exited for over $10 billion. And we wanted to build the venture firm we wish we could have partnered with.
So how's it going? We've raised multiple large seed funds that allow us to provide the right amount of capital to the founders that we back. We have 5 general partners who are focused on helping our seed companies grow. The NFX team has 45 members helping our companies win. They make up the largest and most effective platform team in the world at the seed stage.
Our platform helps founders with PR, deck design, recruiting, product advice, fundraising, go-to-market, direct marketing, and much more. We're looking for the world's best founders, and to find them, we've reviewed over 23,000 companies and made 133 core investments to date.
Like you, we build software, and we build it for the whole ecosystem.
To help founders in general, and especially those we invest in, we've developed 7 different software products from scratch. For example, on Signal, the #1 fundraising network for founders, there's now more than 100,000 monthly active users, creating 2.5 million direct connections on the network with over 30,000 VCs who have built their profiles there.
We've published over 550 pieces of content, including essays, videos, podcasts, and a streaming platform.
We've launched the NFX Masterclass to share 3 hours of high-quality video so that founders all over the world can learn about how to build and sustain network effects.
Our internal group of founders communicate, help each other win, use each other's products, and have exclusive access to a deep library of hacks and shortcuts to gain speed and precision.
We invest across 4 main geographies, US and Israel, Europe, and LATAM. Look, unlike most funds, we are purpose-built for seed. That's our expertise and that's our profession.
We always lead, and we always put our full support and platform behind you.
And raising a Series A with NFX at your side is a completely different experience.
We run the firm like a startup, and we're geared up to be the #1 seed firm in the world. Come talk to us.